TNA Impact. TNA Impact. WWE SmackDown vs. Raw 2008. XIII. Star Wars: The Force Unleashed. Dragon Ball Z Burst Limit. Battle Fantasia. UFC Undisputed 3. UFC Undisputed 3. Persona 4 Arena. Fight Night Round 3. Fight Night Round 3. Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm. BlazBlue Calamity Trigger. BlazBlue Calamity Trigger. Soulcalibur V. Guilty Gear XRT. Developer Arc System Works. Tekken 5 Dark Resurrection. Persona 4 Arena Ultimax. Super Street Fighter Roman 4. Super Street Fighter Roman 4. Virtua Fighter 5. Virtua Fighter 5. King of Fighters Roman 13. Developer SNK Playmore. Dead or Alive 5. Developer Team Ninja. Street Fighter Roman 4. Developer Dimps Capcom. Marvel vs. Capcom 2 New Age of Heroes. Developer Backbone Entertainment Capcom. Street Fighter X Tekken. Developer Dimps Capcom. Marvel vs. Capcom 3 Fate of Two Worlds. Developer Aiding Company. Limited. Capcom. Soulcalibur Roman 4. Developer Namco Bandai Games. Injustice Gods Among Us. Developer NetherRealm Studios. Tekken 6. Tekken 6. Ultra Street Fighter Roman 4. Developer Capcom. Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3. Developer Capcom. Tekken Tag Tournament 2. Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.